This doesn't look like a normal vehicle. This is a mega beast RV. Massive, powerful, and way bigger than you expect. From the outside, this RV feels more like an expedition truck than a camper. Every line, every panel, every detail is built for strength and long-distance travel. Just look at the size. When this RV is parked indoors, it completely dominates the space. It's not just big, it's overwhelming. Heavy-duty tires, reinforced suspension, a solid body designed to handle extreme conditions. This RV is made to go far beyond normal roads. The side entrance gives the first hint of what's inside. This isn't a basic camper, it's a carefully designed living space on wheels. Step inside and it feels more like an apartment than a vehicle. Open layout, clean design, and enough space to live comfortably for long periods. The kitchen area is compact but extremely practical. Everything is placed for efficiency, making daily life on the road simple and functional. The sleeping area is designed for real comfort. Quiet, private, and relaxing. A place where long journeys finally slow down. Even the bathroom and utility areas are built for long-term living. Smart use of space, clean design, and systems made for off-grid life. This RV isn't for short trips. It's for people who want freedom, adventure, and a true home wherever they go.
So the real question is, would you live in a Mega Beast RV like this? Subscribe for more unbelievable vehicles on wheels.